Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the matrix CAD libraries into your exocad software. Let's start finding out where your files for exocad are saved. So right click and then go to the path, open path. In this case we're going to find out where the libraries are going to be saved. So let's go to the Dental CAD app, then library, and then implant. In this folder, we're going to save all our CAD libraries for exocad. In a previous step, I already downloaded from our 3 Digital Academy the exocad matrix library. And then what I need to do is to save the 3 dental matrix libraries into this folder, copy paste, and then we need also to save in the right folder the model creator library. So let's click on the model creator, then implants, and then save the 3 dental implants folder here into the model creator folder. Now we are ready to design all the matrix prosthetic with the exocad libraries. Thank you.